Okay, y'all, I started off with my seasoning first. This is for some chicken. And then I'm going to add in a little onion and a little bell pepper. Just great seasoning. I normally put a little garlic in. Unfortunately, I didn't have none. And I wasn't finna go to the store just to get no garlic, because I know how to spice some things up. So then I also put in my good cream chicken. Cream of chicken. And I'll show you why I got gloves on when I do this. Okay. Just a simple recipe I've always made. And it always came out really, really good too, y'all. I use Lipton onion soup. This is my famous chicken recipe. And then you mix this up. Just like this. Because I've been cooking it so long, y'all, it looks gross probably when I'm mixing it. But because I've been cooking it so long, as I was going to say, I know when I don't have enough of something in it. And I don't have enough of this with the onion soup. So I'm going to add one more pack of this in there. And Lipton onion soup, y'all, it is a great, oh my God, it's great for seasoning. It's great for a lot of stuff. It is awesome. And y'all see I'm mixing this, don't you? That's what you got to do. You got to be able to mix. Now use gloves for it. I said I don't like my hands to get in this sauce. But it's some good sauce, y'all. Like, ooh, shut your mouth, mama type sauce. And then I'm going to use another half can of cream of chicken in this. Just a half can, I mean, you know, the small cream of chicken. To make sure I got enough of it in there too. And then all you're going to do is continue to mix, y'all. Them babies got to get up and eat tomorrow. I make this up at night. I cook most of my foods at night. But them babies got to eat, so. And some people get up as early as I do in the morning and start cooking, going to put their dinner on, because that's what I do. And then from this point, y'all, all I'll do, turn my oven on. So y'all see I took them gloves off. Now I'm just going to cover it up. Let me let y'all look at it first. Y'all see that? That's it. I'm just gonna cover it up. I'm gonna put it in the oven and let it bake. For about 2 hours, y'all. Good in the bathtub. Then I'll take it out. About 2 hours, though. About 2 hours. Okay, y'all. It's been about 2 hours. Woo. Oh, MG. Y'all got to see this. OMG. Look at this chicken, y'all. OMG. Look at that gravy. OMG. OMG. Look at this gravy on this chicken, y'all. And this is what I call, OMG, y'all, I've got to try this piece of chicken. I've got to have a piece of it. It just looks too good for me not to try it. It is falling off. Oh my God. Raven, come taste this. Somebody else taste it for me. Come taste this, Raven. Taste that. I want the camera to see you taste it. You ain't never had my chicken like this. Nice you would love to taste that.
I want some. I want some, Mama.
Mm-hmm. Chicken real
I
good.
want some.
Good, right?
I want some.
Mm-mm. I didn't tell you to take my whole people. Go ahead. You done took my whole piece of chicken, y'all. Go on, girl. Go on. Y'all talking about something good. Follow the recipe. It is really and truly delicious. Oh my gosh. Well, just follow the recipe. This is my dinner, y'all. Smothered baked chicken, cornbread, tiny beans with a snap, field peas with a snap, and some cream potatoes.